Welcome to the one sample t-test week. I want to start out by saying that it is important that you understand that you need to be checking your emails, you need to be checking the classroom. You're an online class. These videos help, but you need to make sure that you are checking for information being sent out. Last week for correlations and this week with one sample t-test, I'll be sending out a little letter kind of explaining it in words for those of you that don't see it on the video. So it's important that you are watching the video. In there will also be the PowerPoint and everything else that you need. But you have to get out there and look at it. If you're not checking your email on a daily basis, well, I can't do anything for you because I don't have you in front of me. It should not be necessary. This is the same lecture I would give you if you were in the classroom. You're getting the same amount of help. My phone is available. You cannot email me at 11:30 on Wednesday night when it's due, something is due, and then expect me to answer you in the next hour. So it's real important that you're doing your work early in the week. And that way if you have issues and you can work through it, that's on you. I can't do that for you. So I'm here for you. My phone is available, my email is available, and so is my text message. And those of you who do it, I try to get back to you in the next as soon as possible to get you guys going. But I need your support in this because I think some of you just aren't doing the work because you're saying, I don't understand it and I'm walking away. Well, I'm here. So 24 not 24 hours a day, but during the day, you're welcome to email me, call me, or whatever, and I'll walk you through it. It doesn't take that long. Okay, let's get going here. In this one, we're going to look at the CBS Likert scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the board. 1 is almost, 2, never rarely, 3, sometimes, 4, frequently, and 5, almost always. So different than in some of the other ones where we're talking about strongly disagree to strongly agree. And this one should be almost never. In some respects, it's a little vague, okay? It's a tad vague. So when you're looking at it, if you believe it's above the mean, then you have to decide whether it's frequently or almost always. If it's below the mean, are we really looking at never rarely, or are we looking at almost never? So let's take the idea of, let's just use choking for example. If choking was using this one right here, okay, that's where the problem is, rarely. I would think that would be rarely. They rarely choked. So rarely is not a real great word. So you could use the word seldom. Do the players believe that they were choking? So you have to kind of look at this and kind of analyze these words based on what the mean says. Okay, so that's real important in this factor.